Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a black raspberry vanilla cold process soap, which I do on a regular basis. That is part of my soap collection. First of all, I'm going to put on my gloves because the first thing that I like to do whenever I make soap is to start with the lye water solution so it has time to cool down by the time that I need to continue. So I use my classic recipe. You will find it, of course, down in the description box if you are interested to use it. So when you make cold process soap, always use distilled or demineralized water because normal tap water contains minerals that can react bad to the lye. Then I'm going to add the lye to the water. And what I advise you to do if you are new to soap making, you can weigh out the lye separately and then add it slowly to the water. That way you avoid to overcompensate. Do not inhale the fumes and stir the mixture immediately so that the lye can completely dissolve. Probably you are able to see that. And then you just want to put it aside when everything is completely incorporated and let it cool in a place where it cannot be knocked over. Next, I'm going to be weighing out the hard oils, meaning the oils that need to be melted, either on a double boiler like I like to do here, or you can also use a microwave and just want to give short bursts so that you avoid that the ingredients are overheated. So I have palm oil, and then the coconut oil. Coconut oil looks lighter in color. So this is now going to the double boiler and we'll come back afterwards to add the soft oils to it. The oils are now completely melted here and I transferred it to this jug here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and weigh out the soft oils according to the recipe, namely olive oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil. So that's it for the oil part that I'm going to put here aside to mix it later on. Now, for the colors, I would like to change things up a little bit and use this electric bubble gum. This is a colorant from brambleberry. It's a pigment, so it needs to be pre-mixed. And this is what I'm going to do. I don't want to have like a very vibrant type of color, just a little bit, you know, like a pink hue. So I'm not going to use much of this. Just going to add a little bit to this little cup here and then add a little bit of olive oil and then mix it. Looks very vibrant, but I think on the entire batch it will lighten up. I'm also gonna use some titanium dioxide and then mix it directly to the lye water, since I want the overall look to be quite opaque. The fragrance I'm using is Black Raspberry Vanilla from Scent Perfect. I'm also gonna weigh it out. I'm just using a glass container with the measuring marks on it, where you can see 100 milliliters. I like to prepare everything beforehand, so once the soaping process is going on, you know, I don't have like to run and grab the things that I need. This is the water-soluble titanium dioxide. You have also the oil-soluble. This is water-soluble. So I'm going to mix it directly to the lye water. Let's see. The temperature of the lye water solution is 30 degrees Celsius, which translates to 86 Fahrenheit. And the oils are at 38 degrees Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit, which is absolutely okay. And before I proceed to put the lye water into the oils, I'm just going to go ahead and add the titanium dioxide into the lye water solution. Even maybe one whisk with the stick blender to be really sure that everything is nice and well incorporated. Very carefully. Make sure not to splash everything around here. Okay, now let's see how we are doing. For the top, I won't be putting any fragrance or any colorant in here. Okay, so now I want to see how we are doing with a teeny tiny bit of this bubblegum pigment. Like I said, I just need a light pink color, more like a pastel-y type. So I'm starting with a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit too soft. Adding a little bit more. Okay, so I like this type of look here, pink, soft pink that I was going for. And now it's time to add the fragrance. So the fragrance goes in. I'm just gonna mix it in with the spatula. I'm not gonna trying to mix it in with the stick blender. I love this pink. I'm now gonna go ahead and just spoon this white portion here on top. I made these melt and pour berries previously, and I'm going to remove my gloves because I have difficulties controlling the embeds with the gloves on. So if you do that, just make sure that you really don't touch the fresh soap.